Okay. I don't know if this will work. Hold on a second. I got a puppet. Yeah, I got a puppet now, so this should be pretty easy, as I can say myself. So basically, I'm going to be doing stuff like SML, and yeah, so I hope you guys might enjoy that. We got Droopy right there, and I'm going to my bed real quick and try and find it. We got Droopy, and we got, sorry guys, and we got Beanie. That was kind of going to be like SML. We got Dad, which is Beanie, and Kid, which is Droopy. Now, I hope you guys like these characters. You're going to see the first one in a moment. So, without further ado, bye-bye.